Hey RC car fans, guess what just arrived to my office today? Yeah, I believe those two boxes contain the RC cars, the Factory 533 HotRod and the blank body. Well, let's open the first box up. UPS card. This is the blank body. Well, that's it. It's Traxxas number 9333, and it's a 110 scale HotRod. And you know what the good news is that the fender wells are already cut, so unlike a lot of the Proline bodies and things that you buy, you don't have to cut the body. I think the downside is that rather than window masks, it looks like they give you window decals for the outside, and of course they give you a grill and the mounting hardware, and they give you the LED lights, which I've got to paint to match my car. Anyhow, that's the body. I'll give you an idea of the size. Bumper to bumper is 12 inches to that sticker, and to the tip of the so the whole body is 16 inches by about looks to be 8.5 inches wide. Now let's cut into the main event. Yeah, there it is. 33 HotRod coupe. All right, we'll do an unboxing here. I know how much everybody loves unboxing of stuff on the interweb this day. But let's take a look, shall we? Just gotta cut into her like this without killing myself. And as you pry open the car, let's take a look. Oh, very cool. Very nice. So there it is. There's the new HotRod with the new HotRod body. This is the body that came with it. Replacing that, of course. Let's take a look. Push this, shove it forward. It's got the Titan motor, an XL5 controller. There's the antenna. It'll take up to an S3 battery. That'll be too much. I probably won't even use lithium. But anyway, pretty cool. And then that little connector is for the LED lights, which I'm gonna have to move over to the new body after I get it painted. So that's gonna require a little snippy, snappy stuff. Anyway, we'll figure that out. So there you have it, race fans. That's the unboxing.